Number one, we really help you understand what is happening. Sometimes in our mind, things are just like too complex and we make things much bigger than what they are. So we really help you break down the things and understand what are the problems, what are the things that are making you uncomfortable. Which of these things are more important than the others? We help you prioritize as well. Number two, we inspire you from your own history, as well as the stories of others who have done similar things, who have come out of similar situations. Number three, we help you define your vision and your dream for the future. Number four, we suggest ideas, ask questions, challenge you to help you define a strategy, the steps that you can take to get to your new future. Number five, we put a process in place to hold you accountable, to measure the results, to measure the steps that you have taken, to analyze and to change the steps, to change the strategy, direction, and action steps so that you can get to your goals faster. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? Let me be absolutely clear. You are the one who is executing all that. You are the one who has to stand up and take action. We'll only facilitate it for you. We'll only help you, we'll only challenge you, we'll hold you accountable. But you are the one who is taking action. So if you're ready to move forward with this, then let's continue.